Hi everyone, it's Claire from Diamond Painting Nerd and welcome to a little unboxing stroke review of this product. So I've seen a couple of people with hauling these on YouTube and I was extremely intrigued and I liked what I saw. So I popped onto amazon.co.uk. You can get these on amazon.com as well, and I managed to pick one up for myself. So it did look like it was imported from somewhere. However, I ordered it on Thursday or Friday, and it arrived Monday. So it came super quick. So it's by Forever Young, and it is a it's basically a box of trays in order to kit up in. But if you haven't seen these, then the idea is that you kit up into the trays. So they are your storage and also your trays. So you don't need to keep dispensing drills and filling your pots back up again. So let's get this lid off. So it comes in this cardboard box. It's not particularly sturdy. It'll be okay, but I'm not sure on how long it's going to last, especially if you try and pick it up from this end on its own. These are going to have a tendency of ripping. So what I suggest you do is, if it will fit, yeah, put the box into the lid just to double up on that, because it's chipboard, I think, just to double up on that chipboard. It does also come with some stickers as well, which I won't use because I'll just be using my normal stickers from my kit. But it's nice to have them included, and they've got this holographic effect on too. So if that's handy, then those are included. Now there are two different ones. There's this one, and there's the, so this has got 45 pots, and then the other one's got 15 pots. So obviously this isn't going to be a lot of paintings that are going to be able to be used for this, but I suppose if you had two of these, or if you had a 45 and a 15, however, you could make it up into a bigger one if you needed it to. So this one comes with 45 of these. Yeah, so I think the idea is to pinch these together and then just lift it and it opens out. Now the seal around the edge of the box looks nice and secure, so I don't think we're going to have any issue with drills falling out. And then the whole idea is that the actual bottom of the pot is your tray, so you don't need then to go and tip your drills into your tray, paint, and then tip them back in again. So you're meant to be able to do it all from here. Now I've seen mixed things about these trays being static. So I've just got some drills here that I need to put away. These are just acrylic. Let me get a darker colour so you can see. These are just acrylic round drills. So we'll give these a go just to see what this is like. Okay, so let's give it a little shake in there. Okay, well, I'm not really having issues with static. I think it could probably do with a little wipe out before I use these fully, but those seem to be lining up without any issues of static in there at all. There's literally a small amount of these left, so there's not a huge deal. But imagine those packs where you've got a load more drills. I'm not sure how successful it's going to be when you've got quite a lot of drills in there, because it's not going to leave you, I suppose, a massive space to be able to pick those drills up. So I suppose if you're, oh, I just tapped that a bit too hard then. If you're multi-placing with, you know, a larger amount, then I suppose you can make a decision whether it's worth pulling them out into another tray, or and then just using the small ones for the smaller amounts that you need to paint. So now I'm just wondering, how would you get this back in, obviously you wouldn't need to put it back in a pot like this, but back into my storage. Well, I just managed just to tip that out on the side with no issue. Could also obviously use a funnel just to help as well. So yeah, this will be interesting. So as I said, this is the 45 pot one. There's the 15 pot one as well. So I'm going to see how I get on with this. So the idea is, I think I'm going to kit up. I'm going to have a look at what kits that I've got that may be 45 or less, and kit it up in here, and give this a go for my next smaller painting and see how I get on. So yeah, I thought I would just come on and share this with you because it's new to me, and see how this all works. I mean, if it saves me a lot of time from tipping the drills out into the tray and back again, then it's done the job. So I will leave this linked down in the description box below if you want to go ahead and take a look at it yourself. And any questions you've got, please feel free to leave those in the comment section down below. Don't forget to hit that like button for the video and the subscribe if you're new here, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye guys.